In this video, I'll demonstrate how, using the Groups tool, you can set up a private discussion with all of the students in your course. In another video, I'll show you a slight variation, how to set up a private discussion with just one or several students in the course. This is an alternative approach to sending emails back and forth with students. Your discussion with the student will be within Kodiak, and if you subscribe to the discussion, anytime there's a new posting within the discussion, you'll receive an email alerting you to the update with a link in the email to take you directly to the Kodiak discussion. So we'll use my Kodiak Tips and Tricks course to demonstrate this, and I'm going to show you via the class list that I've got 6 students in the class, the Peanuts gang. So I'll be creating 6 groups with one individual in each group. To access the Groups tool, I'm going to select Edit Course in the nav bar on the right. And I'm now on the course administration page where there are many tools, and I will select the Groups tool. The first thing I need to do is set up a category for the group. The category is just a way to describe the purpose of the group. And you can have several groups within one category. So for this category, I'll just call it Private Discussions. And the enrollment type is going to be groups of, and then a number. So I'm going to have groups of 1. In the Advanced Properties section, I'll ask the Kodiak to randomize users in groups, which is to say it will automatically enroll users in the groups, and it won't be alphabetical. And if I expect students to join the class after we get going, after I do this, I can select this, and new users will be auto-enrolled in a group of 1. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create. It says over here on the right, created successfully. If I go back to the category list, you see now I have a category which is Private Discussions with 6, the number 6, groups in it. The individual groups each have a member, and I'm going to rename the groups so that the name of the group reflects the member. So that's going to take a moment. So this one is the Snoopy group. Okay, now that I have renamed all of my groups so that I can see who is in the group, I want to go back to the category page. And at the bottom of the category page, we have some additional options, and one of them is to set up a discussion area for each one of the groups. So I'm going to select Set Up Discussion Areas and select Save. Now it's asking me in which forum would I like to create the individual, what will become topics for each individual group. And I don't have one, so I'm going to create a new forum and call it Private Discussions with Everyone. And click Save. And now the forum that I want to set up the discussion topics in based on group has been created, and I click Create and Next, and I see that I have set up the discussion forum, and there are 6 forum topics within it. Let me select Done, and you can see now that I have the private discussion category with the individual groups, and over here in the discussion column I have discussion topics for each one of the students. If I go up to Course Home and select Discussions, on my Forums and Topic list, you see now I have a Private Discussion with Everyone forum, and within it a topic that is private between myself and the student to have a discussion with each individual student.